Ready? Go. It's gonna be cold. Whew. That's cold, Nance. That is cold. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. He set off his car alarm. See, he turned it off. It's okay. It's cold and it's also windy at the same time. Whew. This is a nice pool though. She got so excited that she was on YouTube for 4th of July because she loves YouTube. It's her favorite thing ever. She don't want to hold it. The pool is cold. She's not letting go. She's on it like a bug. Look, we gotta swim. I know it's cold, but it's okay.
Who's that?
This is a camera.
What's that for?
It's for putting you on YouTube. Remember when you watched yourself at 4th of July? Yeah. See, this is gonna be you in the pool, and you're gonna love it. Guess we're going in the hot tub. This one probably feels warm. Whew. Yeah, this is really warm. Oh, the hot water. You're doing so good swimming. Did you know that? Look at the little baby. It's cute. Look. This is why I hate when the shorts fill up. We're just having a fun daddy-daughter day by herself today while Stephanie's at work. Isn't that right? We watched a few movies today. We watched Beauty and the Beast, and then we watched Trolls, and then one of her TV shows before that that she likes to watch called Daniel Tiger. But that's it today. And then we came swimming after we ate.
How feel?
How does it feel? Do you want the bubbles?
Yeah.
You want me to go turn the bubbles on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Stay here. I'm gonna go turn the bubbles on.